guys, so today is my mom's 75th birthday and I wanted to do something to honor her, so that's why you're seeing this video. So basically I wanted to actually style some of her clothes. A lot of her current wardrobe is not really my vibe, but a lot of her older stuff I really love. I wear a lot of her saris, like her formal proper saris. You guys have seen me in them at like weddings and things like that. But I thought, like, let's do something fun and casual and see how I style my mom's clothes. So, are you ready to see what I'm styling? Number one is this hot number. I think you guys saw it in the video I did with Sejal, which was a challenge video of like wearing something from my mom's closet, and I pulled this one out because it was obviously the obvious choice and it's really fun. It's this maxi dress. My mom has worn this. I've seen pictures of her wearing this as a kid all the time. And she had a kind of similar haircut at that time as well. And she was really cool and like quite a hep cat in her time. So I thought, why not put my own spin on this? I haven't worn this like out. I've just worn it for the video. So let's see how I style it. Then we have something I stole in the pandemic. Now, I was cleaning out her sari closet when you guys saw me do my sari collection video. And I found this and I was like, wow, this is really cool and my vibe, like it's orange. And I was like, where's this sari from? I've never seen it. My mom's like, it's my sari from when I was young. And normally I don't wear like casual saris, right? It's more like a formal thing or whatever. I've not worn one in the day ever. But I thought this was really my current vibe because it's obviously orange. So I thought I'd style this one. So one Western, one Indian. Let's see how I do.
You're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, flush the choices, fix your pain and let it go. Deep in the flesh, you see pressure just before you break a bone. Oh, yeah. All your troubles of them bubbles. It's like right, I'll party if I want, party if I want, party if I want. You only live once, but that's all I need. So keep it flowing and I'll buzz just like a bee.
So guys, those are two looks that I stole from my mommy and I love how they turned out. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and tell me. And I hope my mommy likes them both. Mommy, are you watching? So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite look, as I said. And go pull out something from your mom's closet, style it, post it on Instagram or wherever and tag me and share it with me. See you guys. Bye.